Ma'am, the 27th question.
27th is same as NCRT. Second question we have solved. Only values I told you. It is 5 and 8 is given in the NCRT, and there it is given 16 and 10. Beginning
okay.
only question we have solved, no? This question. This one. This and that question is exactly same. Only values are, they have mentioned values as double. 16 and 10 they have given. Instead of 8 it is given 16, and instead of 5 they have given 10.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am, I got it. Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Ma'am, 51st question.
51st. Diagram you have in front of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle ROT, that is ROP or ROT, is 130. How much is angle 2?
Ma'am, it's 65 degrees.
65. Then triangle OQP, angle Q will be?
Ma'am,
Angle OQP is? Angle Q.
yes, ma'am.
How much?
Ma'am, 90 degrees.
90. ROP is 130.
Okay, ma'am.
Then angle 1 will be? Exterior angle property.
Okay, ma'am.
90, 130 minus 90, that is 40. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is 65 plus 40, 105. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Other, any other doubts? All done? All questions solved by yourself? Or copied from here and there? Learned from somewhere and then written? Anyone done that? Okay, then a few extra questions. Done everything? 52? Anyone has still any doubt? And still you have not submitted. Homework you are not submitted. You have to keep submitting in this one, Google Classroom. Because anytime I will tell your parents to go through that. Then you give answer to your parents, not to me.
Ma'am, have you posted the assignment with your book?
Circles is there, no? So whatever homework circle is written, every time you have to keep submitting there only, every parts.
Okay, ma'am.
You keep submitting in every part in the same circle part. That is for RD Sharma. So whatever the parts are there, you have to keep submitting. Only 26 questions. Amina, very well yesterday. Amina? Amina, are you there? Manisha?
Yes, ma'am.
You were not there to yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I had went somewhere out in the morning itself, so it had taken time.
Only people still have not submitted. Karthik, no homework submitted. Jessica, Harshit, Astitv, Sharad, Samridha, Revti, Anish, you people have not submitted homework. All 1 to 51 RD Sharma should be there. Should be submitted. Janvi, yours also is not there. Dikshita, Roshita, Akshaya, Amina.
Ma'am, so I can send it all in one PDF?
Yeah, one PDF you can make it, or right now you have done already half. So remaining ones also you can share it there itself. One by one below the attachment it can be done. Don't do again those questions. Okay, already one attachment is there. You can attend that another attachment. So all will be at one place. Okay. Everyone, it should be there. Otherwise, from the next class, I will keep you removing from the class. I'm already doing in other batches. Okay. So extra question based on this. Just a second. Copy question. Write the question. In this one, this is similar to your last year question. Last year, the same question you have done, if you remember. AB and AC is 6 centimeters, is inscribed in a circle of radius 9 centimeter. Radius is 9. That means a 6 centimeter cannot come below the radius. So here is the center O. A, B, C. Reshma Mandip question. Do you remember last year? Remember or forgot? Radius is 9. AB is 6. AC is 6. You have to find the area of triangle ABC. So for finding area of a triangle ABC, we need a BC as a base. This will be the perpendicular that we have to first prove. And then we have to calculate this perpendicular distance and the base distance we need to calculate. For that, join OB and join OC. Now OCAB, in that OB is equal to OC, AB is equal to AC. So therefore OCAB is a
Right.
kite. OCAB. In this, OB is equal to OC, AB is equal to AC, both are radii, and this is given. So therefore, OCAB is a kite. In a kite, diagonals are perpendicular. Therefore, OA is perpendicular to BC. Take the point of intersection as P. Okay. Now this is also perpendicular. So now here OP will be perpendicular to BC. That is OP perpendicular to BC. So therefore OP perpendicular to BC. So therefore
BP is equal to CP.
BP is equal to CP. Perpendicular from center bisects chord. So BP is equal to CP, that is half of BC. Okay. Now we will consider, we have to calculate BP distance also and AP distance also. So we will consider BP as X and AP as Y. So if AP is Y, BP, let BP is equal to X and AP is equal to Y. So how much is OP?
9 minus y.
OP is equal to 9 minus Y, because OA is 9, radius of the circle. OB is also 9. So AO is 9. So half AP is Y. So OP will be 9 minus Y. So use Pythagoras for these two triangles. Use Pythagoras theorem for these two triangles. So it will be first triangle ABP, 6 square is equal to x square plus y square. So x square plus y square is equal to 36, equation 1. And the lower triangle OBP, 9 square is equal to x square plus 9 minus y square. 9 square is 81. X square value we have 36 minus y square is the value of x square. So 36 minus y square plus 81 minus 80y plus y square. Now simplify and calculate the value of y. Minus y square plus y square cancel. This is 81 and this is also 81, cancel. So minus 18y will go to LHS. 18y is equal to 36, y is equal to 2. So value of y we got 2, then find the value of x square. X square is equal to 36 minus y square, 36 minus 2 square, 36 minus 4, that is 32. X square is 32, so x is equal to square root 32. 16 twos are, so it is 4 root 2 centimeters. Y is 2 centimeter. Now we got x also, we got, that is 4 root 2, and AP is a height of the triangle, that is y. AP H is equal to AP is equal to y, that is 2 centimeter. Base is equal to BC is equal to 2 BP, that is equal to 2x, that is 8 root 2 centimeter. So area triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, that is half into 8 root 2 into 2. 2 get cancelled. 8 root 2 centimeter square. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Write the question. The similar type of a question you have solved earlier. So can you tell me what's the difference? The similar kind of a question you have solved earlier. So find out and check. Because if you know the difference, then only you will understand the method why both are different. How are they different from each other? Otherwise, if you don't know that difference, then it will be difficult for you. Find out the similar question, one similar kind of a question with similar values you have solved. In RD Sharma. Right, Janvi. Yes, others got it? Janvi, question number? Not 27th. 24th RD Sharma. 24th homework I have given. I think so I have explained here also. This other question here, other page. It is. Got it? 24th question. What was the difference there? 24th question and this question. What is the difference? Values are same. Someone wants to speak. I can't hear. Devyani, got it? What's the difference?
Ma'am, is it perimeter to find in that and in this length?
Yes. Here, there, they have asked the perimeter of this triangle. Now you have done that sum of the sides, TA plus AE plus EB plus TB. And AE you have replaced with AP, B you have replaced with BQ. So you got 2 TP. And TP length was given, so therefore you calculated perimeter. But the same question, now they have not asked perimeter, they have asked the length of AB. So this length AB they have asked. They have not asked the this in full perimeter. They have asked the one side of the triangle, and there it was touching anywhere. It is not exactly the point E is not the intersection of OT. There was given AB is tangent, but they have not mentioned whether it passes through E or not. This OT distance is intersecting point is not E there in that question. Okay, so in this one, what you have to do? What they have given here, radius is given 5 centimeter. O to T distance is given totally 13 centimeter. And then nothing else is given. Okay, and we have to calculate AB distance. So AB distance is calculated by AE plus EB. So we have to calculate AE distance. This is 90. This is 90. Consider this as X. We will consider AE as X. If AE is X, how much is AP? AP is
X.
X again, because AP is equal to AE, tangent from the same point, external point. Two tangents are drawn. Now here OT is 13, angle P is 90 and OP is 5. So how much is TP?
12.
12.
12 centimeter. So this to this full distance is 12. Out of that AP is X. So how much is AT?
12 minus 8.
12 minus X. Now OT is 13. Out of that OE is a radius which is 5. So how much is ET?
8.
8, and this is 90 degree. Can we use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of X? Right? And then by that way find out X. And similarly, this is also the same thing. This is also 12 minus Y. We don't know whether they are equal or not. We are not supposed to prove it. Leave that one. But so we'll consider this is Y, and this is 12 minus Y. So by the same way, we will get, or here it is, this is 12 minus X. So this is also 12 minus X. Leave it, 12 minus Y, this is Y, this is Y. And then by same Pythagoras theorem, similarly we can write it. We are not supposed to show. Here also we can use Pythagoras theorem to get the value of Y. That will be exactly similar to that of X. And AB is equal to AE plus B. So we have to calculate AB that way. Clear? So start writing. First it is AE is equal to AP tangents from A, let it be X. Okay. Now triangle OPT, angle OPT is equal to 90. So therefore by Pythagoras theorem, OT square is equal to OP square plus PT square. 13 square is equal to 5 square plus PT square. 169 minus 25, that is 144, is equal to PT square. 12 is equal to PT. AP is equal to X. So therefore TA is equal to 12 minus X centimeter. OT is equal to 13 centimeter. OE is equal to radius of the circle, that is 5 centimeter. So therefore ET is equal to 13 minus 5, that is 8 centimeter. Triangle AET, angle E is equal to 90, tangent property. So therefore by Pythagoras, AT square is equal to AE square plus ET square. AT is 12 minus x whole square, AE is x, and this is 8 square. 144 minus 24x plus x square is equal to x square plus 64. 144 minus 64 is equal to 24x. 84, 80 by 24 is x. 8 threes are 8 tens are. So AE is equal to x is equal to 10 by 3 centimeter. Now similarly BE is also equal to 10 by 3 centimeter. AB is equal to AE plus BE, that is 10 by 3 plus 10 by 3, which is 20 by 3, 6.67 centimeters. Clear? Yes, this question. This is also similar to your last year. One question of similar question was there. Two circles with centers O and O dash of radii 3 and 4 centimeters respectively intersect at 2 points P and Q such that OP and O dash P are tangent to the two circles. Find the length of common chord PQ. They intersect at 2 points P and Q. Center is here, its center is here. This is O and O dash. OP is a tangent to the one circle and O dash B is the tangent to this circle. That means this angle is 90 degree. Now we have to join OQ also and O dash Q also. So length PQ we have to calculate. This is radius, this is radius, this is radius, this is radius. This is also a kite, so therefore this angle is 90 degree. Suppose take this point as M. So M is 90 degree. This is 3, this is 4. If angle OPO dash is equal to 90 because it is a tangent property, right? So now how much is O dash? O dash
Right?
square is equal to OP square plus O dash P square. That is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16 which is 25. So O dash is equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? Now the similar method of Pythagoras theorem, we have to use it. Now this full is 5. Consider this as x. OM will consider as x and OM O dash M will be O dash M is O dash is 5 you called. Out of that one part is x. So second part is 5 minus x and PM consider as y, which is we have to calculate actually. And PM is equal to y. So we have to calculate the value of PM as PM value, that is y value we have to calculate. Use Pythagoras theorem for both the sides. So triangle OPM 3 square is equal to y square plus x square. 9 is equal to y square plus x square. So x square is equal to 9 minus y square. And in the second triangle 4 square is equal to y square plus 5 minus x whole square. 16 y square. Substitute the value of x only here. Better it is. This is y square. So y square value is 9 minus x square plus 25 minus 10x plus x square. So it is 34 minus 10x is equal to 16. 10x is equal to 18. 34 minus 16 is 18. So x is equal to 1.8. And 81 minus x square is equal to y square. 81 minus 1.8 square. 81 minus 3.24. This is equal to Sorry. 9 minus. Now why I have taken 81? Nine minus 3.24. 5.76 is y square, so y is equal to 2.4. PQ is equal to 2y. That is equal to 4.8 centimeters. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The same question you have solved last year also. You have to prove that is OP, O dash Q is a kite, and therefore OM is perpendicular to PQ. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question. Yes. Now here what they have given, let's S denotes the semi-perimeter of the triangle ABC in which BC is A, AC is B and AB is C. If a circle touches the sides BC, CA and AB at DEF. A, B, C, BC at D, AC at E, and this is at F. Okay. Now distance BD we have to calculate, that is S minus B we have to find out. They are given BC as A. This full distance is A, AC as B, and AB as C. Okay. We have to calculate BD is equal to S minus B. Now what is S? Is a semi-perimeter. That means the perimeter by 2. So what is the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 2S, right? Now we have to calculate the value of this one. BD we will consider as X. How much is CD?
A minus X.
A minus X. So EC is also A minus X. Now how much is AE?
B minus A plus X.
B minus A bracket minus X, minus minus will become plus X. If this is B minus A plus X, so how much is this? This is also the same. And then this is also, now this is BD is X, so BF is also X. Now sum of these two is C. Okay. Now here we have to write BD is equal to BF, consider that as X. CD is equal to CE, that is equal to A minus X. Now AE is equal to AF, that is B minus of A minus X. This is B minus A plus X. Okay. Now therefore AB is equal to AF plus FB. AB is C. AF is B minus A plus X and BF is X. So this is equal to 2X. This B minus A will be transferred on other side. C plus A minus B. To bring here 2S, sorry, S value, sorry, suppose S we have to bring, we need the sum. 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. Now that means we need A plus B plus C in this equation. If I will write this expression as A plus B plus C minus B minus B, will it work? Plus A plus A plus C plus C. So this is there, minus B is there. So what I have done? Added B
Then subtracted.
and subtracted B. So there is no change. So now what is the value of A plus B plus C? Is 2S. B minus B is minus 2B is equal to 2X. So take 2 common. S minus B is equal to 2x to get cancelled. S minus B is equal to x. And what is BD? BD is x. So it is equal to S minus B. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
These are all NCRT exemplar questions. So left out questions, those were not there in RD exercise. So whatever today we are solving questions, those are from exemplar. Completed? Draw the figure. This is the diagram. There are six external points. From 6 external points, tangents are drawn. Write them equal. This question is exactly similar to that of AB plus BC. In a quadrilateral, AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Exactly same question. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Other NCFE students, you also write down this question. This is a circle question. NCFE students, you also write down the same question.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, you also write down the same question.
Yes, ma'am.
Circle. So in this one, from external point P, one tangent is drawn PT. PAB is a secant, that is chord AB. PAB is drawn to the circle with center O. ON is perpendicular to the chord AB. So they have given ON is perpendicular to the chord AB. So if O is the center, that means perpendicular from the center
Bisects the chord.
bisects the chord. BN is equal to AN, that is half of AB. If it is needed, we will use it. Now prove that PA into PB is equal to PN square minus AN square. So starting with the first part, listen very carefully. PA into PB is equal to, what is PA? PA is this, and PB. So we need in terms of PN and AN. So how to write PA in terms of PN and AN? PN
N minus AN.
PN minus AN is the value of PA, and PB will be PN plus NB. NB and AN are equal. Substitute that. PN minus AN into PN plus AN. So this is equal to Pn minus An into Pn plus An. This is equal to Pn square minus An square. That's the first part proved. Now for the second part, Pn square. So that means here we will use Pythagoras theorem for in triangle PON. Pn square is, n is 90. So Pn square is equal to OP square minus ON square. Pn square. This is n ONP triangle. Angle n is 90. So therefore Pn square is equal to hypotenuse square OP square minus ON square. OP square minus ON square minus AN square is, this is also OAN triangle. Angle n is 90. So AN square is equal to OA square minus ON square. OA square minus ON square. This is in bracket. Now simplify this. OP square minus ON square minus OA square plus ON square. Minus ON square plus ON square cancel. OP square minus OA square. Now OA, what we need to find out, that is equal to, we have to show OP square minus OT square. But we got OP square minus OA square. So can we show OA is equal to OT?
Yes, ma'am, they're radii.
Their lengths are equal. So OP square minus OT square. The reason is OA is equal to OT is equal to radius of the circle. And then OP square minus OT square is in triangle POT. So what is OP square minus OT square? PT is a tangent. So this angle will be 90. So OTP triangle. In these three triangles, in this triangle OTP triangle, T is 90. So therefore OP square minus OT square, that is equal to PT square. That is our third part. Now we have PA into PB is equal to PN square minus AN square. PN square minus AN square is equal to OP square minus OT square. So can we write from 1 and 2 PA into PB is equal to OP square minus OT square, and this is equal to PT square as triangle OPT Pythagoras theorem. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear solution?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is what we have used in question number 7, the last statement. PA into PB is equal to PT square. Remember? RD 7th question, we have used this part. Samrida, got it now? You only asked that question.
Yes, ma'am.
Write this question and you can leave.
Ma'am, what are the tests we have this week, ma'am?
This week test, now you have finished till which part you have done last test? Corner geometry done, no? Trigonometry. Again, full.
Applications.
So application of trigonometry. No, simple trigonometry, normal trigonometry.
Both
Full
ratios and
chapter.
identities.
Both together. Everything will be there. Ratios also and identities also.
And in science.
Science is electricity full. Last class only I told, last time only I told. That is last week it was objective, now it is full.
Okay.
Subjective test. Subjective test, but only till this with subjective till resistance, combination of resistance. You have not taken any of the test. This Saturday you have this one, science, electricity, all subjective till combination of resistors. And maths, trigonometry, full.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.